Hey there, future engineers. My name is PJ, and I'm an industrial systems engineer here at Auburn. And today we're going to do some additive manufacturing and some 3D printing. Before we can start printing, we need to get all of our supplies together. We need a clear plastic cup, liquid craft glue, a small spoon, and then sand. Today I'm going to use colored sand. You can use whatever you can find at home. For the base layer of our 3D print, we need to add a thick, even layer of sand to the bottom of the cup. Next, we are going to use liquid craft glue to draw a shape in the sand. Here's a tip. Flip the glue upside down and squeeze all the air out the bottle before you get near the sand, so that way you don't blow the sand away. Today, I'm going to make a circle. To make our next layer with our spoon, let's sprinkle a thin, even layer of sand on top of the glue. But be careful, we don't want to completely cover it. Now, future engineers, we are going to repeat this process until your shape reaches its desired height. I am going to make 4 layers total. Once you are happy with the number of layers, we are going to add a thick final layer of sand and completely cover the glue. Now for the hard part. We have to wait 2 whole days for the glue to dry. After 2 days, we're going to gently remove our shape with a spoon. For an extra challenge, see if you can 3D print letters to spell your entire name, or even a phrase like we did. What we did today is kind of like 3D printing. Engineers use 3D printers which print in layers of melted plastic to make bigger shapes, just like we did today. Engineering students here at Auburn have a room full of 3D printers in a big workroom called the Makerspace that engineering students use to make projects for class and things just for fun. The Makerspace has a wood shop, electric shop, prototyping lounge, crafting area, and pretty much any tool you could think of. Happy holidays, and thanks for printing with me today, future engineers. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more activities like this one. But until then, War Eagle!